my little ones. I hope you all are good and safe at your places. So everyone, welcome back to our computer class. So as you all know, we were doing last week chapter number 5, that is more on MS Paint, and we are learning how to use this software, right? How we can draw different types of pictures, how we can make it colorful, and how we can use these tools which are given in the software. So yes, in the previous session I told you about tools, and before that we learned about some magic, magic of control buttons, and we learned about minimize button, maximize button, restore button, and close button. So about these 4 buttons we learned, and also I told you about the tools. So there are some tools which we can use for drawing, we can use for coloring. So in the previous session I told you about 2 tools. First was pencil tool and second was eraser tool. So yes students, pencil tool is used to draw free form lines or curves. कोई भी किसी भी तरह की आपको लाइन मेक करनी है. If you want to draw like this, if you want to draw like this, we can use this tool, pencil tool. Okay, we can use this tool known as pencil tool. And then second thing I told you about the eraser tool. If you draw something wrong and you want to erase it, what you will do, you will hold the hold the right button of the mouse and will move on that. Click on the eraser tool and उसके ऊपर hold करके रखो and that will be erased. तो वो वाला जो मटेरियल है जो हमें नहीं चाहिए वो erase हो जाएगा. So I told you about these 2 tools in the previous session. Eraser tool is used to erase any part of a picture. अगर आपको कोई पिक्चर, कोई लाइन, कोई भी अल्फाबेट आपको इरेज करना है, so we can take help of this tool, that is eraser tool. And yes, so today I will be telling you about more tools. So what we are going to learn today I will be telling you about adding text. How can we write text here like alphabets? And then I will be telling you about brush tool. There are so much types of brushes given in it, and every brush have different use, and I will be telling you about that. And then I will be telling you about using airbrush tool. Airbrush tool is used to spray color को spray करने के लिए use होता है वो. So we will be learning about that. And जो brush tool होता है, it is used to draw objects with different kinds of brushes. अलग अलग type के brushes दिए हुए हैं. We will pick color in that brush and we will draw that and a picture. So yes, these tools I will be telling you in the practical session. And one more thing I told you that you all have to make some types of drawings daily for the practice. So I hope you all are doing that also. So as I made some kites, right? So you can draw some heart, you can draw any smiley face, you can draw anything whatever you want, right? So keep practicing and learn about the MS Paint. It is very fun and very important. Like we can say, it is important to learn this software. So you all have to do the practice at your home. So now let's get started, and we will be learning firstly about the adding text. Yes students, now we will open software MS Paint. We will go on the start button, then we will go on all programs, then next step is accessories, and then here it is paint. So our paint window is opened here. So in the previous session we learned about 2 tools and about these control buttons. So we learned about this tool. It is known as pencil tool. It is used to draw a free form line with the selected line width. जितनी width हमें चाहिए हम उतनी width ले सकते हैं. Then second is eraser tool, and it is a part of the picture and replace it with the background color. सो यस, हम इसे क्लियर कर सकते हैं जो भी हमने टाइप किया. इफ वी ड्रॉ समथिंग रॉन्ग वी कैन जस्ट erase with the help of this erase tool. So now students, we are going to learn about another tool. It is text tool, adding text. This is a text tool. A, जहां पर A अल्फाबेट लिखा हुआ है ना, this is a adding text tool. Okay, now I have clicked on it. So यहाँ पर येलो हो गया ना ये pressed, तो मैंने इस पे A पे क्लिक किया and it becomes yellow. I can show you from close. Yeah, this here you can see it becomes little yellow in color. So yes, it becomes blurred. Just a moment. Okay, fine. Now I just clicked on it and yes. So next is here I can see cursor and I draw it, drag it like this जितना भी मुझे यहाँ पर text type करना है. And now here you can see it becomes a text tool. अब text के tool आ गए हैं सारे यहाँ पर. टेक्स्ट टूल पे क्लिक किया, पॉइंटर चेंज हो गया आई शेप में. जो मेरा पॉइंटर था ये कौन सी शेप में आ गया, यहाँ आई शेप में. दिस पॉइंटर यू कैन सी इट इज इन आई शेप. नाउ वी विल क्लिक एंड ड्रैग द पॉइंटर ऑन द ड्राइंग एरिया. हमने यहाँ पर क्लिक किया एंड ड्रैग कर दिया जहाँ पर हमने टेक्स्ट को ऐड करना है उतने एरिया पे हमने ड्रॉ कर दिया. ठीक है, इट इज डन. Then second step is a dotted rectangular box will appear. ये जो dotted rectangular box आ गया ना हमारे पास, इसके अंदर एक blinking cursor आ रहा है जो blink कर रहा है. ठीक है, तो ये आ गया. Now we can type the text as shown in the text box. अब हम यहाँ पर टाइप कर सकते हैं टेक्स्ट को. like I have written here, कैप्स लॉक ऑन कर दिया है मैंने. I am writing here. Just a moment, I will be showing you public and school. Okay, अब मैं इसका टेक्स्ट बिग भी कर सकती हूँ जैसे हमने उसमें किया था. इसको सिलेक्ट किया ड्रैग करके एंड देन यहाँ पर जो ऑप्शंस हैं इससे हम यहाँ पर साइज इंक्रीज भी कर सकते हैं. जितना साइज हमें चाहिए हम उतना साइज क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. तो अभी मेरा जो साइज है वो इतना बड़ा हो गया है इसका. सो इस तरह से मैंने क्या किया, एक ड्रैग करके इसको क्रिएट कर लिया. राइट, सो लाइक दिस इट इज हियर. सो नाउ इफ आई वांट टू select it again, so ये तो again I am making one more thing. यहाँ पर here I am writing Sirsa, right? So now I can change the color of it also. अभी मैं इसके colors भी change कर सकती हूँ. Select it and then press on red. Then on any color you can press and it will convert in that. I clicked on this and it becomes like this. And so these are the some tools and that is enough for this class. अभी इस क्लास में हम इतना ही सीखेंगे that what is the use of this tool and how we can add text here. Okay, so this was about the adding text. Now next I am going to tell you about another tool, which is next tool is about brushes. This is a brush tool. I am going to tell you about this tool, that is a brush tool. So I clicked on it. तो यहाँ पर बहुत सारे brushes आ गए. It is used to draw objects with different kinds of brushes. अलग अलग तरह के brushes आ गए हैं हमारे पास and we can use them. Now we will click on it and brushes drop down arrow. जो arrow दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर हमने क्लिक किया. So हम यहाँ से कोई भी brush का टाइप ले सकते हैं जो जितने भी लिस्ट में अवेलेबल है. तो सिलेक्ट एनी कलर फ्रॉम द कलर्स ग्रुप. अभी मैंने क्या किया, एक सिलेक्ट किया यहाँ से. आई सिलेक्ट दिस वन. ओके, and then I change color with the red. So I picked red color. Select any color from the colors group. Now move the pointer to the drawing area. अब हमारा pointer यहाँ पर आ गया drawing area में. And now we can just press and hold down the left mouse button. Left mouse button को drag करके we can draw anything. Okay? We can draw anything here. Right? So again I am taking one more page. Just a moment. So I took one more page. Don't save. And now here I am drawing this. Again I am making a kite like this, and yes, this. So this was the first brush I took. Now I am taking second brush and changing the color. I took this color. Now I am making a circle with this. So you can see the difference between these two brushes. Now I took third brush and changed the color. And now this brush, from this brush I am making a triangle. Now again you can see the difference. Right? Again, sorry, it is little bit wrong here. I am erasing it. So now you can see the difference. So again I took this brush and third brush and color is red. Here I did this triangle. Then from next one I took this brush and changed the color with blue. Now I will be making square. This is a airbrush tool. Right? This is a airbrush tool. So we can draw any type of shape here, any type of picture here with these brushes. Now again I took another brush and changed the color with yellow, and I make here rectangle. Okay? Then again I change brush here. So like this, students, you can do anything with these brushes, and you can make lots of pictures, lots of shapes with the help of these brush tools. Okay? Now I am going to tell you about airbrush tool. So as I did here, this is a airbrush. This is a airbrush. Here are some airbrush tools also given in this. So the first one is this. This is the airbrush, and we did this square with the airbrush tool. Then next it is, second is, just a moment. This is again oil brush. Okay? And like this there are some brushes, brush tools also given to us. We can click on the brushes drop down arrow and select the airbrush option. Airbrush जो था हमारा वो ये वाला था, हमने select किया. Again I am telling you, airbrush select किया and then select the desired spray size from the size. अब इस size से हम इसका change भी कर सकते कि हमें कितना spray वाला चाहिए. We can change it also. Okay? So we can draw anything from here. And select the desired spray from the size button. Move the mouse pointer on to the drawing area. अब यहाँ पर drawing area में आ गए हैं हम with the brush, and click the mouse button on the area where you want to spray the color. अब जहाँ पर हमें spray करना है color को, हम वहाँ ऐसे कर देंगे. We want to spray like this. If I want to fill this, I will do this. I will press it and it will done like this. So I fill this like yes. So here and again here I am doing like this. You can draw any picture and you can do these types of fun colors with these brushes. So yes, that is done about these brush tools. Okay, so that is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed these tools we did today, adding text and brushes. So about other things I will be telling you in the next session. And one more thing, I can tell you here, these shapes you can see, these are the blocks given in which all the shapes are given to us. You will click on the under arrow, lots of shapes are given to us. We will just pick any shape and we will drag here and it will create here like this. You can change any color also from here too. Now like this, I took again different shape, different color. So like this we can draw lots of shapes by dragging the mouse and pressing the left button. Okay, so this is what you all have to do, practice at your home and enjoy this software. So yes, that is all for today, and in the next session I will be telling you more about this. So you all have to read chapter 5, page number 45, 44, 45, 46 and 47. These 4 pages you all have to read. And yes, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye all and take care.